building my freelance web development business in public. So after designing the database for the app, I work on designing the different pages along with the APIs that go with it. So I'll walk you through one example. Is that like one of the first things you do is you sign up for the SaaS app, and then I will do a mutation to create a customer and subscription. So for this, I label it under the Stripe resource, and I like to organize it this way, where I have the name of it, the method, if it's a query or mutation, any authorization. So since anyone can sign up for an account, there's no authorization needed for this mutation. And think of the params, they need an email and the payment ID for it that Stripe handles. And then I just pseudocode the logic that is involved with this mutation. And it's not as simple as I originally thought of creating an account. First, you gotta see if that customer already exists, and if that customer is active, has an active account. If it is, you let the user know that this account already exists. And then if they previously had an account and it ended, you want to restart that account, so you change the is active status to true. But if those cases don't happen, you have to create a Stripe customer. You attach the payment to that customer, make a payment method default because it's a Stripe recurring payment. You add a trial period that goes with that subscription, and then you create a customer. I like to think of it as subscription, customer, and user in the database, because each has its own purpose. And then finally send an invite on Clerk, as in you get an email invitation to join the app. And using Convix as my API solution, we only need to return back the ID of the tables for each one. And that's it for this section. Follow for more tech content.